Mr. Speaker, our standing orders are very clear that if a member wants to discuss the conduct of another member, the member knows what to do. The Speaker of the Senate is a member of this House. The Speaker of the National Assembly is a member of the National Assembly. And therefore, if he's not comfortable with the way they put on their clothes, let him approach the House with a motion, and we are going to dispense with it. Is he in order to discuss the conduct of speakers of this Parliament without a substantive motion, Mr. Speaker?
Senator Boni Khalwale, have your seat, Senator Boni. The Honorable Senator has not mentioned any individual during his presentation. He was just giving the qualities of Angundi Speaker, but he did not mention any speaker by name. And if we targeted me, you know, he could not be speaking now. So I think just conclude 1 minute. And Honorable Senators, if we give you an opportunity, 2 minutes are enough to make your comment on a petition.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for saving me from my big brother, Boni. Mr. Speaker, I have not mentioned anyone's name, and I do not want to mention anyone's name. I am simply saying that whoever holds the position of the Speaker must rise above the politics of the day and must be seen to be independent and must be seen to be fair to all the members of the House. But when some actions are done...
Also, Senator Osotsi, you know this petition is on qualifications, academic qualifications. So just comment whether it is okay, it is not, and so that we make progress.
Yes, Mr. Speaker, I was saying that the committee must look at the matter holistically in terms of qualification and the conduct of the Speaker. To end this contribution, Mr. Speaker, I want to say that I think it's a very wrong thing for the speakers to be engaged in politics and even be party leaders of political parties. How will they exercise fairness? How will they exercise independency? Because they are party leaders of parties and they are sitting on the speaker's seat as a speaker of either National Assembly, Senate, or County Assembly. I think this is a very serious matter, regardless of which political position you are in, Mr. Speaker. This is a matter that if not handled, we are not going to have a house that is respected by Kenyans, a house that is going to pass laws which Kenyans are going to obey. Mr. Speaker, I support the petition.